Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. And now I am going to conduct an English language class for the students of class 2. And our today's topic is from your Enjoy Grammar book, lesson 18, exercise number 1, discussion. So let's try to solve it. This is lesson 18, question words. Mary has just joined St. Angel's School. Ravati asked her some questions. Ravati, why are you waiting outside the classroom? Mary, I want to meet Mrs. Rita. I have just joined school today. Revati, what is your name? Mary, Mary Thomas. Revati, when did you come to Delhi, Mary? Mary, last week. Revati, where do you stay? Where do you stay? Mary, in Shakat. Revati, how did you come to school? Mary, by bus. Revati, who is your best friend? Mary, Rani. Students, these are few questions along with answers, and you may see some red ink words. They are why, what, when, where, how, who. Students, these are called question words, but that means by using these words we simply make questions. Okay. Why means what's the reason behind any incident. Okay. What includes something exactly. It may be someone's name, someone's living place. Okay. Directly answer. When indicates the time. That means when do you get up from bed, when your school starts, like this. Where indicates place. Where do you live in, like this. Okay. How and why almost same, or they requires the way. Okay. Who is your best friend? Who also indicates someone's name. Okay. So these are called question words. That's friends, what, when, where, why, how, who are words which we use to ask questions and are called question words. What I told you, such sentences end with a question mark. Dear friends, in every of these sentences of question sentence, question words containing question words, you will find the question mark. Okay. So now we will discuss exercise number 1. Complete these questions with question words. Number 1, what is your name? Shonali. What is your name? Shonali. Number 2, where do you come from? Where do you come from? Chennai. Okay. Number 3, when do you go to play? When do you go to play? At 5 o'clock. Number 4, distance. Before number 4, I want to discuss why that question was used here. Gap is your name. This question requires the exact name. So for knowing the exact thing, we need to use what. What is your name? Then gap, do you come from? Gap, do you come from? It requires the place. Although the answer is Chennai, it's a place. So it would be where do you come from? Number 3, gap, do you go out to play? Gap, do you go out to play? Distance, it also requires the play time, because in the answer you will get the time at 5 o'clock. So it would be when do you go out to play? Number 4. Gap old are you? 7 years old. Although it requires the answer of 7 years old, so its question word would be how old are you? Okay. Then number 5. Gap is that girl. It also requires the direct answer, so it would be who is that girl? Number 6. Gap are you late today? Distance, it requires the cause behind this incident. Okay, so I told you that when we need to express the cause behind any scene, we need to use why are you late today? I was completing my homework. Okay, dear students, this is all about exercise number 1, and this is the end of the today's class. I hope you all got understood today's class. Practice it by staying at home more and more. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.